So that will be the tour in our lab, superconductivity lab in Lebedev Physical Institute. So let's go to the lab, and this is the office of our postdocs and PhD students where they work in terrible messes usually. Yeah, they are overcrowded, overloaded by the bureaucratic work. Those are our cabinets with the gloves, with a lot of vials and plastic beakers with compounds and something other things. So it's me. You see it in the mirror in the cabinet glass. Okay. Yeah. Yes. A lot of shelves and a lot of just boxes for different equipment that we need to store in order to be prepared to just maybe to do repair for the equipment. This is our proud, it's a glow box, argon glow boxes with a lot of compounds that we need to store exactly in the inert atmosphere. So yeah, a lot of metals, very rare metals, rare earth metals. So this is just connection between two glow boxes. It's absolutely full handmade glow boxes. We did it by ourselves, and this is just press to prepare the tablets for the for the reaction in the quartz tubes and for X-ray analysis. This is a metallic calcium you see, and this is milling machines. So let's go to the other place. This is just table with different stuff, a lot of stuff here. Yes, overloaded places and overloaded also the hood. It's impossible to work there, but it's the conditions that no one worked there anymore. So this is a place where we have additional milling machine and some preparation instruments to prepare the milling, to do the milling. This is also our second proud. It's an oven for preparing cuprates, for preparing the fine crystals of cuprates. It's infrared oven. Of course, it's non-Russian equipment, but anyway, now we don't do it. We don't use it. This is just a ventilation, an additional cabinet with a lot of chemical glasses and compounds and bottles. Yes, some things for inorganic chemistry. And this is a sink place where we trying to wash our flask, but usually we don't wash. I think we don't wash. Yes, and tubes, a lot of tubes, metallic tubes, ferrum iron tubes and quartz tubes that we use to prepare the ampoules to do our high temperature synthesis, inorganic synthesis. So let's go to the back side, and this is a working place with two computers for PhD, for postdocs, and this is additional table for preparation of samples for X-ray analysis. So here we just manually mill the compounds after the reaction to prepare the powder. And after that, we put it on the special aluminum plates and put it inside the Rigaku X-ray diffractometer. And absolutely all inorganic labs should have this kind of X-ray powder X-ray analysis. Very cheap, very fast. And this is the pump. Cooling system for the Rigaku, and near to this cooling system there are oven, high temperature oven in order to prepare high temperature reactions, and you see the tank with argon here, another oven and with a flow of argon, so you can prepare the reaction in inert atmosphere. And this is, you see the welding instrument. We can weld our ampoules, iron ampoules, in the argon atmosphere, and just close by caps, by iron caps, close the cylindric ampoules consisted of iron too. So just by welding, we do it by welding. So this is overview of our lab. It's a very small lab for several people, and yes, a lot of ventilation.